How to easily add someone to a private Slack channel. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. To do that, you can either open your account through your browser or by simply opening Slack application. Once you're on your account, all we need to do is to go on the left part of the screen and then select the private channel. So this channel here, as you can see, this one is private since this channel has this Slack icon. In here, we'll have to select on this channel and then after that, right click and then tap on this view channel details. After that, tap on this members option and then in here, tap on this add people option. After that, in here, you'll have to make sure that you select this add new members to the existing channel. Once you're done, simply tap on continue. So in here, what we need to do is to type the email or the account that we want to add as a member to our private channel. Once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on this add option and then after that, tap on this done option. Once we're done with that, we'll just have to go back, select again the channel, right click, tap again on this view channel details, and then tap on members. So as you can see, I now have 2 members here on my private Slack channel. So that's how easy we can add someone to a private Slack channel. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.